In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a good title for a YouTube video. For this purpose, we'll use smart automation tools. Find the links in the video description. Click the like button to support the channel, and if you're into web automation and data extraction, subscribe for more bot tutorials. Let's start. Tip 1. Use SEO keywords. A good YouTube video title must include SEO keywords. To find them, use the YouTube keyword scraper. Here's how to launch this tool. Head to Botster. Create a free Botster account and log in. Search for the YouTube keyword scraper. Click on the bot name. Click on the green button to start the bot. Specify search methods. Specify search depth. Enter your keywords. Select notification type, email, Google Drive, Slack, Telegram, webhook, or Zapier. Launch the bot into action. Done. Click on CSV, Excel, or JSON to save the extracted keywords to your computer, or click on View Data to open the results online. We've exported a list of keywords for a hypothetical video about wedding flowers. Include these keywords in your YouTube video title. Tip 2. Analyze the user's search intent. A great YouTube video title must match the user's actual search intent. To check this, use the YouTube search extractor. Enter your keywords. Select the number of videos to export. Launch the bot into action. Done. We've exported a list of videos relevant for our target keyword. Read the titles of top 5 videos and check if your understanding of the keyword matches the actual user intent. Tip 3. Analyze the titles of the top performing videos. Write a great YouTube video title based on the titles of the top ranking videos. To export them, launch the YouTube Video Info Extractor. Enter the links to the YouTube videos that rank highest for your keyword. Launch the bot into action. Done. We've exported the titles of the top ranking YouTube videos and other details. Borrow the syntax and vocabulary of the top performing video titles. For more tips and tools for making a good title for a YouTube video, read the like-named article on the Botster blog. Sign up on Botster, use automation tools to write outstanding video titles, and boost your YouTube views. If you found this video to be useful, click the like and subscribe buttons for more automation tutorials. See you in the next video.